In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in ClickUp. If you no longer need a specific workspace and you want to remove it permanently, this process is fairly straightforward. Just keep in mind that deleting a workspace is a serious action, because it can permanently remove the data, projects, and information stored inside it. So before you continue, make sure you're deleting the correct workspace and that you've saved anything important. To begin, open ClickUp and switch to the workspace you want to delete. This is important, because the deletion settings only apply to the workspace you're currently viewing. Take a moment to double check that you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're inside the correct workspace, go to the upper left corner of the screen and click the workspace avatar. This opens the main menu for that workspace, where you can access several administrative options. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Workspace Settings area, where you can manage configuration options related to that specific workspace. Next, look at the Settings sidebar and click Workspace. This section contains the core workspace details and administrative controls. Depending on your screen size, you may need a second to locate it, but it should be listed clearly in the sidebar. After that, scroll down until you reach the Delete Workspace section. Since this is a permanent action, ClickUp places it lower on the page to help prevent accidental clicks. Move carefully here and make sure you found the correct section. When you're ready, click Delete Workspace. ClickUp will then ask you to confirm the action before allowing the deletion to go through. To confirm, enter the workspace name exactly as requested. This step is there as an extra safety measure, helping ensure that the workspace isn't deleted by mistake. Be sure to type the name carefully, since even small differences may prevent the confirmation from working. Finally, click the last confirmation button to permanently delete the workspace. Once you do this, the workspace will be removed, so make sure you're absolutely certain before completing the final step. And that's it. That's how to delete a workspace in ClickUp. Follow each step carefully, especially the confirmation stage, to avoid deleting the wrong workspace. Thanks for watching.